Here are the 5 best air ride for Harley Touring. So, let's dive into the video. Number 1, most popular. Monroe MA785 Max Air Adjust Shock Absorber. Monroe produced this model of air ride shock absorbers to be the best, and it seems that it lives up to the expectations. These air shocks can be used both alone or together with another modification kit for your bike, which transforms them in a versatile product. They come with a 1/2-inch piston rod, granting a seriously long lifespan for the air shocks. Plus, because of the rod's strength, this product guarantees a very consistent ground performance, with firm rides. Number 2. Xfmt Adjustable Rear Air Ride with Harley. Xfmt never disappoints, and this air ride kit model stands as proof for their amazing products. The company came up with this complete kit that has everything you need to adjust your bike's height. It is surely one of the best air ride for Harley Touring that you'll find on the market, taking into account both the very broad range of model coverage and the quality of the parts included. The push-to-connect fittings make the installation process a breeze, not to mention that it comes with manifold-style dump valve block included. Number 3. TCT Rear Air Ride Suspensio for Harley. This might be the best air ride for Harley Touring you can ever buy. It is such a complex kit that it will make the installation process seem like you're playing with Lego. Replacing your stock shocks and getting adjustable ones has never been easier. What's even greater about this air ride is that it prevents rubbing the tire against the fender, an aspect that represents a very common problem for 2008-2009 models. Losing air pressure won't be such a dangerous matter anymore, so you can take your ride for slammed cruises without worries. Number 4. American Suspension AR7041A Air Ride. An option that combines efficiency and an affordable price very well is the air ride kit produced by American Suspension. The company is well known for its approach to complete air ride kits, which include all the elements you would need for a smooth installation process. This model fits 2013 Harley-Davidson bagger bikes and doesn't require additional purchases, other than air fittings. This product also came to attention because of its reduced noise production, an aspect that many people prefer and look for. Number 5. Motorcycle Black Rear Air Ride Suspension Fit for Harley. Happy Motor are not that popular as other companies in this niche, but they managed to come up with a product that combines two very important aspects: a convenient price and efficient properties. This kit is superior from others in the market, and it does deserve the title of the best air ride for Harley Touring, because it is one of the most complete kits you'll find on the market. It comes with everything you need for the installation process and beyond.
Thanks for watching the video.